Hi there, Misfitians, and welcome back to another Let's Chat video with Carrie. I actually have a question for y'all for this particular video. It's not going to be a long video this week because I really want your input on a project that I'm working on. So I'm thinking about for the month, first off, fall is just around the corner. It is my favorite time of year. And for those of you who have followed me on this channel, you know fall is my favorite time of year. But I was thinking about for September, I might even start mid-August is like next week. Probably will start in September. It depends. But I was thinking about starting up one of two things. For the month of September, I was thinking about either doing small mini tutorials, monthly tutorials, where I pick a topic and basically I work on that in a project, and then y'all can follow along and do it with me. So I was thinking about maybe doing like a moon. That's kind of what's in my brain right now, doing a moon, painting a moon for September. I also would love to get feedback for topics that y'all would like for me to teach. I was thinking very, very simple, like one subject matter type things. But I was thinking, would y'all rather have me do like a monthly mini tutorial for the channel basically, and then inside of Watercolor Misfit land, I do like maybe templates. If you do not want to draw, I'll do templates in there, and I'll do supply list and all of that stuff. Inside of Watercolor Misfit land, you can get those resources, but on the channel, I do maybe like a monthly topic where I teach how I go about processing a particular subject matter. Would y'all rather do that, or would y'all rather do like watercolor challenges? That's kind of something we did in the Facebook group a long time ago, like 5 or 6 years ago. We're basically like this particular month, 5 or 6 years ago, we did sea life, and it was a very generic topic, and basically you could interpret it any way you wanted to. So some people did dolphins in the ocean, or they did sea turtles, or they did, I'm trying to think. I did like fish, and I think I did my little bunny character on the beach too with like stuff. But you could interpret it any way you wanted to. It was one topic, and then basically you share that with the group, and then I would pick some of those stuff and just share it in a video. So my question is, and I do it along with you, of course, but my question is, would you rather have more of a mini tutorial where I walk you through the process of me doing a particular topic? Or would you rather have like a monthly challenge where you can interpret it how you want to, and I interpret it the way I want to, but then I kind of feature some of your paintings as well as feature mine in basically a Let's Chat. So that's kind of the question that I'm posing to you. And if y'all say both, don't say both. I want to start, maybe in the future, I'll do both. But I'm trying to add one thing at a time so that I don't overwhelm myself. So currently, right now, if I was to add one major project to this channel, would you rather have a let me look at your paintings and kind of discuss them, as well as share my painting for a watercolor challenge over a month? Or would you rather me do a tutorial and share my process going through it? If you're kind of curious as to what the tutorial would look like, the mini tutorial, I have inside of Watercolor Misfit land right now an abstract tutorial. It's free, where basically I did a really, really simple abstract painting inside of my watercolor journal. And I just shared my thoughts of what I did and how I approached the process, as well as like my thoughts of what was going through my brain as I was going through the process. So that's kind of the structure that the mini tutorials would be in. I didn't put it on my YouTube channel because I was like, I don't know if people will be interested in this. But I know some people will, so I put it inside of Watercolor Misfit Land. So it's available and it's free inside of Watercolor Misfit Land. But if y'all would like more of that format, I will put it on the YouTube channel. And I also will probably have y'all vote for topics for me to work on as well, for different subject matters, for different months and everything. But I just need your input because I don't want to be putting forth a lot of effort and then I misjudged what somebody would want. Like watercolor challenges were really, really big like 4 or 5 years ago, but I don't know, is that popular anymore? I literally don't know. I've kind of been under a rock since my health stuff. So I'm curious, like, is that something y'all would be interested in, or would y'all rather like a mini tutorial once a month that basically I walk through? Anyway, that's a lot of talking, but that's kind of my thoughts, and I would really like your input so I know what to kind of work on for the future. And I was thinking about starting whatever y'all want in September. That's kind of what I was thinking. So anyway, lots of love, y'all. Thanks so much for the comments. I will be reading those this week because I really want to start getting on this and planning it out and working on it now. And I've also started putting together the series that I was talking about. I actually just filmed 4 episodes for that longer film-like style series, teaching series that I'm working on that I really enjoy doing. I love doing that type of stuff. So there's a lot going on, but I was kind of wanting to add one more small thing, just do small steps at a time. And that was one of the things that I was thinking about doing. Anyway, lots of love, y'all. I hope you had a fantastic week this week, and I will see you next time. Bye.